In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut, copy, and paste objects in Draw.io when you're using it inside Atlassian Confluence and Jira. This is a super useful skill if you're creating diagrams, workflows, architecture charts, or process maps, and you want to quickly reuse elements without rebuilding everything from scratch. This works directly inside Jira issues using the Draw.io integration, and the same concepts apply in Confluence as well. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Atlassian and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Jira in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside Jira, navigate to your project board. From here, click on My Team or your active board, and then select the task or issue where you want to add or edit a Draw.io diagram. This can be a bug, story, or task depending on how your project is set up. After opening the issue, look for the Actions option. Click on Actions, and from the drop-down menu, select Add Draw.io Diagram. This will open the Draw.io editor directly inside Jira. If this is your first time adding a diagram, Draw.io may prompt you to choose a diagram type or template. Go ahead and select any diagram template that fits your needs, or just choose a blank diagram if you want to start from scratch. Once the Draw.io editor loads, you'll see the canvas along with the Shapes panel on the left side. Now, this is where the cut, copy, and paste functionality comes in. Click on any element or shape in your diagram that you want to duplicate or move. You can select a single object by clicking on it, or select multiple objects by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each one. To copy the selected object, simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Then, to paste it, use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The copied object will appear on the canvas, usually slightly offset from the original so you can easily see it. You can then drag it into position wherever you want. If you want to cut an object instead of copying it, use Ctrl+X on Windows or Command+X on Mac. This removes the object from its original location. Then use Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste it in a new location within the same diagram. This is perfect when you're reorganizing layouts or cleaning up complex diagrams. You can repeat this process as many times as needed to quickly build out your diagram. This works for shapes, text boxes, connectors, groups, and even entire sections of a diagram. Once you're happy with your changes, click on Save in the Draw.io editor. After that, make sure to click Save again on the Jira issue to ensure the diagram is properly attached and updated. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to cut, copy, and paste objects in Draw.io for Atlassian Confluence and Jira. This simple feature can save you a ton of time and make your diagrams much easier to manage. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Atlassian tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.